GCash app stuck on the loading screen or not letting you log in? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share quick and easy fixes to resolve GCash loading and login issues. Problem number 1, app not loading. This could be due to a poor internet connection or a GCash server issue. Solution: ensure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data if necessary. Problem number 2, login error despite entering correct details. Solution: update your GCash app. Sometimes outdated versions cause login issues. Go to the App Store and check for updates. Problem number 3, app keeps crashing or freezing during login. Solution: clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, find GCash and tap Clear Cache. This often resolves loading and login problems. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly fix GCash loading and login issues. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more GCash troubleshooting tips.